Hi guys, and very welcome back to another little video. This time we start actually from my office. So my plan is basically that a few days ago I actually built a little nature pond or a feeding station for birds, and my plan is now that I am going to photograph the birds that are living here right next to our backyard. And I actually built 3 days ago, I built up a little hide. So now what we're actually going to do is going down there, filling up the feeding station, and also setting up the chair and the tripod and stuff for tomorrow. So when I go there for the sunrise, when we have nice light, when the birds are starting to come, everything is set up. We just need to get into the hide, and then we can enjoy and photograph all the little local birds. So actually, the camera is already set up. Now I only need to get up to the other room, and then we can start going down. So no further talking, let's get started because before it gets dark. And yeah, I think let's go. So basically I'm already in the hide. I actually only wanted to build something up. But the birds are coming and coming and coming, and I can even talk here. That's so nice. So now I'm back home, and before it's getting dark I want to chop some wood, and then I'm gonna make the fire, make the meat ready, make myself some dinner, and then probably going to bed early because tomorrow I need to get up very early to get into the hide. As we've seen, there's no problem at all with the birds. They seem to come whether I'm making noise or not. That doesn't make a difference, but nevertheless I want to be there early so I can catch the first light in the morning. Yeah, that's my plan, and yeah, now need to make some dinner. So, while the meat is on the grill, and yeah, I just wait for the meat to get ready. Should still take a while. Then I got some fries in the oven, and yeah, should give a pretty nice dinner. Haven't eaten for almost a whole day. I had some breakfast and then I went to my Lynx camera traps. And that's also what I wanted to tell you. Was amazing. The first time in months we had some Lynx activity, and then we had a mother and her cub coming around. That was so gorgeous, so cool. And yeah, now I need to edit the images, but not today. I guess maybe tomorrow after my hide session, but we'll see. Or you will see the images now, I guess. Yeah. So my plan is for tomorrow to get up very, very early, around about 6:30 in the hide, and then when the sun comes up and the birds wake up and come to eat, then I'm already in the hide, and then we have the good light, or I hope we have the good light. Yeah, that's the plan. And yeah, for now, just need to wait for the meat to get ready, and then I can fill my tummy because I'm really hungry now. So, good morning, guys. Actually, yeah, yesterday I went to sleep then pretty early, and now I'm still tired, but now I'm gonna make myself ready for the hide. But before that, as you can see, the cats are waiting for food, so I might give them a little snack, and then I go out into the hide and wait until the birds come, and then we see for a few hours. Maybe something special comes by. We'll see. I guess, yeah. And then fingers crossed and good photos. So, I'm in the hide, and I can hear the birds already. I think they're still a bit sleepy. The sun should rise in like 2 minutes, so just in time I'm in the hide. session here now was a blast, was very, very successful. I did not think that the woodpecker would come around only after 1 hour. Yeah, so now the bird's coming back. Yeah, I think anyway I'm gonna abort the mission. I'm gonna end this little hide session. And yeah, so we'll see back up. I'm gonna make some coffee and then yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, back home with a good cup of coffee and yeah, the cat doing its thing. Yeah, what a first hide session. I'm really happy with it. I did actually not expect the woodpecker to come around in the first hour. But yeah, was perfect, was beautiful, and I really hope you enjoyed it. So I'm gonna enjoy my coffee now and make a chilly Sunday now. I hope you like this little episode of Diaries of Wildlife Photographer, and the next episode might be very special, but I don't want to promise too much, so definitely stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe maybe if you want to follow my journey along. Please leave a comment. I very appreciate all your support and thank you for that. By now we already hit the 1,000 subscribers. I actually didn't think that it happened that quick. Until then, we see you in the next episode and see you next time, guys.